In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or ungroup a frame in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. Figma is a powerful design tool, and sometimes you need to manipulate frames to get your designs just right. Whether it's grouping or ungrouping elements, or even deleting frames, I'll guide you through these steps today. First, make sure you've got your file open in Figma. You can do this by navigating to the file through your dashboard or opening it directly if you have a link. Once you're in your design file, you can see all your layers and frames displayed on the left side of the screen. This layout will help you navigate through your design elements easily. Now let's discuss grouping items. To group multiple items together, start by selecting the items you want to group. You can do this by clicking and dragging over them to create a selection box, or you can click on each item while holding down the Shift key. Once you've selected everything you wish to group, just press Ctrl-G on your keyboard. And voila! Your items are now grouped, making it easier to move them around as one cohesive unit. If you've grouped items and you find that you need to ungroup them, don't worry, it's just as straightforward. Click on the group you want to ungroup. Again, you can find this on the left sidebar where your grouped items are listed. After you've selected the group, just hit Ctrl-Shift-G on your keyboard. Instantly, your items will ungroup, allowing you to edit or rearrange them individually. Now, moving on to deleting frames. This is a pretty simple process as well. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a list of frames and layers in your document. Scroll through this list until you find the specific frame you wish to delete. Once you select that frame, just hit the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the selected frame from your design. It's always a good idea to be cautious when deleting frames, as this action is not easily undone once you save your changes. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to create a group, ungroup items, and delete frames in Figma. Remember, mastering these skills allows you to manipulate your design elements with much more fluidity and control. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything, feel free to ask in the comments